If you use Telegram for work, personal chats, or managing different communities, adding another account can make everything much easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another account on Telegram step by step, and I'll also show you the login process using Telegram on your phone and the QR method. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your computer or desktop app. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you can access your settings and account options. Now at the top of that menu, you should see your current account name. Right next to it, click the small down arrow. This arrow opens the account switcher, which is where Telegram lets you manage multiple accounts inside the same app. From here, click Add Account. Telegram will now prompt you to sign in with another number or another login method, depending on your setup. This is the step that lets you connect a second Telegram account without logging out of your first one. If you want to log in using your phone, open Telegram on your mobile device next. On your phone, go into Settings, then tap Devices. After that, choose Add Device. This is the section that allows you to link a new device or session to your Telegram account. Now you'll see the option to scan a QR code. Go back to your computer screen and use the QR login option if it appears. Then scan the QR code with your phone. Once you approve it, Telegram will log you in and connect that account to your desktop app. After the login is complete, you'll be able to switch between accounts directly inside Telegram. This is really useful if you want to separate business messages from personal chats, or if you manage different projects and communities from one app. A quick tip: always make sure you're adding the correct account before confirming access. If you're using a shared computer, it's also a good idea to review your active devices later inside Telegram, so you can keep your account secure. And that's it. You now know how to add another account on Telegram, and how to use the phone settings devices menu and QR scan method to log in. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.